Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have NAS here and Lauryn Hill. What a great dream combo with a song called Nobody. Everybody needs a place to feel nobody. So yeah, I just came across this one. Really cool beats, only 3 different chords and very kind of laid back. I love that. So let's start right away with this one. We have the capo here on the 1st fret. Like I said, 3 different chords. So the first chord will be F major 7. So that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be E7 sus. Alright, so that sounds like this. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. And then we have the final chord, which is A. And that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Okay, so 3 different chords. The chord progression will be F major 7, then the E7 sus, then A, and then F major 7. And then it starts all over again. F major, E, A, and F. Alright. So this one is cool to have because there's a beat going on here. If you listen to the introduction of this tutorial, I use my clap here. I don't clap all the strings, I just clap the bass string here, the E bass. That's enough because we don't want to kill the sound. This is very important for just this song here, not just this one, but especially for this song, since there's not much strumming going on. So you really want to have these strings and notes ringing out there. Okay, so that's why we clap on the E string. We don't touch the strings we are strumming. Okay, so we have F major 7. You're gonna make 1 downstroke and then a clap. Then comes the E chord here, the E7, and a clap. And then comes A and a clap. And then you have a clap again, so 2 claps, and right after, exactly right after this clap comes 1 down on F major 7 again. Okay, so we can stop there because that is not really the full pattern here, but almost. So just to repeat, F major 7, clap, E, clap, A, clap, clap, F. Okay, so again. That's how you play it. That's the rhythm. And the rhythm here is very important, the timing here, to get everything right. So this clap should be kind of steady, goes in the background in the same moments almost all the time here. So F, clap, E, clap, A, clap, clap, F. Okay, so right after this F, clap, F, clap, F, clap, F, clap. And that's it for this strumming and clapping. Okay, so we need to repeat that. After you play the A, clap, then clap F, clap, F, clap, F, clap, F, clap. So the rhythm after this A, clap, clap, F, it's F, clap, F, clap, F, clap, F, clap. And that will fulfill 1 round, you can say, and then it starts all over again. So I'm gonna take you through this a little bit slower perhaps, and I'm gonna speed up to the standard tempo. So let's start. that is 1 round. All right. So again. Yeah, just freak out a little bit there. I love this rhythm here with this very simple chord progression and the clap and beats and everything. And the song itself is great. So listen to this one, have a check on this one, NAS, and featuring Lauryn Hill, Nobody. So thank you for watching. See you soon, and don't forget, guys, play tuned.